Everyone, so today I want to share with you my simple and fresh go-to makeup look when I don't want to do a full face but I want to look put together. I really love this look, you guys. I literally only use about 7 things and I'm out the door, and having kids I'm usually pressed for time, so this is definitely my go-to look. So I like to start off with some lip gloss or chapstick. Either one of your choice is perfectly fine. They actually don't sell this one anymore. It was from Nivea. That stuff is amazing. I wish they still sold it. And then moving on to concealer, this is also my favorite. It is from Maybelline. And trust me, a little bit goes a long way. You don't need very much. And it is in the color 15 Fair. So you'll just apply this to any lines or blemishes and just anywhere really that you want to conceal, and just blend away.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't want to waste what's left. The storms we chase.
So I wanted to mention that you don't need to have high-end products or the exact same products to get this look. You can actually just use what you already have on hand and use the same techniques that I've used to achieve this look.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
So now moving on to eyebrows, I'm using dark chocolate. I feel like I should have added a little bit more, but I was in a rush, so that's okay. So you're just going to follow the natural shape of your eyebrow and fill in any sparse areas. Simplicity really is the best for this look. You don't need to overdo it. We're not doing a full face. And once you're done applying the color, I like to take the spoolie end and just blend it in. I feel like it really does a nice job. So if you don't have a brush like this at home with both ends, you guys, that's perfectly fine. Don't worry about it. Just use any angled brush and blend away. So now it's time for the eyeshadow. I really love using foam all over the lid. It's a light color, but it has a little bit of shimmer, which is awesome because it really helps to bring out the eyes.
I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So now I'm just taking Unicorn and Lotus and I'm applying both colors to the outer corners of my eyes.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
So now I'm going to take Flamingo, and this is like a pinkish, peachish color, and I'm going to apply that right above my crease and just below the brow bone. This is really nice in bringing color to your complexion.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and
So now I'm moving on to the last part of the eyes. I am using They're Real by Benefit Mascara. This stuff is really awesome, you guys. Also, I chose not to use eyeliner for this look since it's a makeup, no makeup kind of look, and also I just wanted to keep it simple, quick, and easy.
hold me close.
And to finish off the look, I'm using Covergirl Oh Sugar. This is a lip balm in number 4, Taffy.
I don't wanna waste what's left.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.